Hello friend, my name is Dharmik and today I will cover geometry in command panel. So don't waste your time, let's get started. So now as you can see that our command panel is on the right side and today I will teach you how you can use geometry. So this symbol shows the geometry and in this geometry you get some option here in standard primitives, extended primitives and compound object. So now I will start with standard primitives and which is box. So as you can see that at that time we are in top view. Now if you want to make box and other object you need to go to perspective view. So we press P. So as you can see that by pressing P you are in perspective view. Now if you want to change the view, so at that time you need to press Alt and press the scroller button and move your mouse. So first I select Alt, press mouse, scroller button and you can see that I move mouse so you can get the different views. So first I take these views and by scrolling up and down you get zoom in and zoom out. Now I start with box. So select box, drag point, drag out, leave your left click and give some height and then click left click. So as you can see that our box is ready, and if you need to give some specified dimension, go here modify, give some length, width and height here 3 feet and 3 feet. So as you can see that our box is ready. So now on the bottom of this dimension you get the segment panel. If you increase the number you can get the segment in your box, but at that time you do not show. So you need to go here default shading, select here wireframe. So as you can see that I give 4 segment. So in this area 1, 2, 3, 4 segment is there. Now if you increase the value here width, so as you can see that 3 division in width and 2 division in vertical, as you can see that. And also I will teach you this all how you can use front view, top view and introduction of 3ds Max. So you can get the link in this portion. You can go here and watch it. Now next one is sphere. So simple. As you can see that select, drag out and your sphere is ready. As you can see that if your as you can see that our segment is 200. When you decrease the segment you can see that when I give 4, so as you can see that it's become pyramid. So you need to increase the segment, you can get different shape. As you can see that I increase the number of segment and it become sphere. And if you need more smoothness you need to give here 200, and also you can increase the value of segment so you get more detailed model. Now if you want to slice it, select here slice on and you can slice it, as you can see that. So now I will show you one small animation here. As you can see that top here. So as you can see that our animation is ready and now I start it. As you can see that. Now I stop here and go forward. Now next one is cylinder. So select cylinder, select and drag out and give some height. You can get this segment is here. When you decrease the segment, as you can see that in wireframe, here is the segment of vertical and 100 slice. As you can see that I decrease the value of segment or slide segment. As you can see that our shape is changed. Also you can make it as a 5 side, 6 side, 8 and etc. Also you can cut like a sphere here, slice on and give some dimension. As you can see that you can make animation and also I will teach you animation in detail in our upcoming tutorials. So now next one is torch. It is also like tube, so as you can see that drag out and give some radius according to your need. So as you can see that I make one tube here. As you can see that our tube is ready. So now next one is teapot. Next, as you can see that simple teapot is there. If you need smoothness, you can increase the segment by here. As you can see that our teapot is smooth. Now next one is text plus. As you can see that select text plus and simple click here. As you can see that text plus is there. Now if you want to edit, go here, modify and give some name. So as you can see that at that time here no any height is there. So you need to go here in extrude, increase the value and you get the height. Now if you want to change the name, you can go here back to here, you can write anything here and you can change. And now if you want to change font, you have some option here, so you can change it. Now if you want to bold, you can see that bold is there. You can use also underline, italic, bold. And now if you want to increase the space in between the text, you can go here, tracking and increase the space. As you can see that number of space is increased. Now if you want to increase the size, you get here the size option, you can increase it. Now next one is cone. So simple, select, drag out and give second radius. So as you can see that you have two options. Bottom is the first radius and top one is second radius. So you can edit here. As you can see that bottom radius 1 is changed and 2 is changed. As you can see that. Also you can change the height, give segment by press F3, so you can get wireframe and give here gap segment. You can see that, and also on height you get segment here. Now next one is geosphere. It is same look like sphere, as you can see that, but segment is very different. So as you can see that in our sphere I reduce the segment here to 150. So as you can clearly see that the difference between geosphere and sphere. So you can see that. Now next one is tube. It is rectangle tube. You can see that drag in, drag out and your tube is ready. I will just show you how you can make it, but you need to keep practice of this object and make some model. So now next one is pyramid. As you can see that select, drag out and you can see that our pyramid is ready. And now if you need to change the depth and width, as you can see that pyramid is same in both directions, so I put same values. So as you can see that now you need to decrease the size, and as you can see that our pyramid is done. So this is the pyramid. And now last one is plane, so which is very useful in your 3ds Max. So as you can see that select, drag in and drag out. So as you can see that our plane is ready. Now if you want to remove this grid, so simple press G. As you can see that grid is gone over. Extended primitives. So you need to go here and select extended primitives. Here you get also some more option here. Now I will start with Hydra, and which is symmetrical of top and bottom. As you can see that now I move over. So as you can see that it is similar top and bottom. And also you get more option in this Hydra. Go here, modify, and you can see that you select here different shape here. As you can see that your model is changed. So and you can also change the value here. So you get here dimension change So as you can see that star is ready, and if you change here, so you get more stars here. Now next one is chamfer, and which is useful for when you need to make bed sheet. So at that time chamfer is useful. So select, drag in, drag out, give some height and give some radius. So as you can see that our mattress is ready. If you need smoothness, increase the segment. So as you can see that our bed sheet is ready. Now next one is oil tank. Select oil tank, give some radius and give some height and get some radius. As you can see that. Now I reduce the size. As you can see that our oil tanker is like that. Reduce the height and gives number of segments, so it's become proper oil tank. Now next one is spindle. So select here spindle. It is similar like oil tank, but you get here smoothness, and in this spindle you get triangle. As you can see that I give some height and you get some triangle on the top side. It is similar to oil tank. Now next one is zingon. Its work as its name. So select is when you need to make pentagon, select it, drag out and give some dimension with some chamfer if you need. So as you can see that our pentagon is ready. Now if you want to hexagon, so select here and give some side, 6 side. So you can see that your hexagon is ready. Now if you want to increase this fillet, so select here fillet and give some dimension, and also here increase the segment. So as you can see that when you increase the number, our fillet is filled with smoothness. Now next one is ring wave. So first you need to make a ring. As you can see that our ring is ready. Now you need to make wave inside. So select and give some radius, drop it. Now you need to give height. So select it, go to modifier and increase the height here 20 feet. So as you can see that our ring wave is ready. Now if you want to change the wave inside the ring, so go here down in inner edge. So when you increase the value, as you can see that you get number of shape. It is also useful for mechanical student. Now you need to simple practice it with change the value here. So now moving forward, next one is prism. As you can see that select and give some direction here and your prism is ready. And also you can change the length and width here, as you can see that. So prism is ready. Now next one is toss knob. So select it, drag and drag out. As you can see that our toss knob is ready. As you can see that it is not useful for us. Next one is chamfer cylinder. This is the box, as you can see that mattress, but it is the chamfer for cylinder. You can see that. So select, drag out, and yes, you can see that our fillet is changed, and also it's look like this spindle. Now if you want to edit it, go here, modify and change the segment by F3. As you can see that segment is changed, and as you can see that your object is now smooth. Now as you can see that our cylinder chamfer is ready. Now next one is capsule. So as you can see that capsule is also look like this. So you can use chamfer cylinder for capsule, but here I use capsule. Select some height, and as you can see that our capsule is ready. So now next one is L. So you can select it, give dimension. As you can see that our L is ready, and now you need to give some thickness. So as you can see that our corner is ready. Now next one is C, which is useful for your making of lift cabin. So at that time you can select it. As you can see that our C is ready. Give some height, and as you can see that I give some thickness. Okay. So as you can see that our lift cabin is ready. So now last one is hose. As you can see that select and give some height. As you can see that our hose is ready. You can edit it by go here, modify panel, and change the dimension cylinder here. As you can see that you get different shape here, so you can make different kind of shape here. As you can see that when you change the value you can get different shape. Hello friends, so this is the end of today's tutorial. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and I will come with new tutorial which is compound objects. So I will meet with new tutorial.